Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor jacks for lifted trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just need a reliable jack for your lifted truck, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Strongway Off-Road Vehicle Jack, which is designed specifically for off-road enthusiasts and owners of larger vehicles like trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and UTVs. Its standout feature is the impressive 29-inch maximum lift height, making it ideal for lifted trucks and off-road applications. Add to that the steel skid plate on the bottom, which offers exceptional stability on soft surfaces like sand and gravel. And you have a jack that's built for tough terrain. The heavy-duty rear swivel casters make maneuvering this jack a breeze, even in challenging conditions. Plus, the lightweight aluminum construction and dual side handles enhance portability without compromising durability. When it comes to design and build quality, the Strongway jack is solid and heavy-duty, weighing in at close to 91 pounds. The quick-change saddle with adjustable height is a real game-changer for frequent height modifications, making it versatile across various vehicle types. However, the weight might make it less convenient for those who prioritize portability. In terms of performance, this jack shines in off-road applications, thanks to its stability and high lift capabilities. As for value, this jack is perfect for users who need a reliable, durable solution for lifted trucks in off-road conditions. While the price isn't listed, its features suggest it's a premium option. The main drawback is its heavy weight, which could be cumbersome for some users. Overall, this is an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts who prioritize high capacity and stability. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Big Red AT83006BR hydraulic tri-service floor jack, a premium option designed for SUVs and extended height trucks. This jack features an extra long neck that saves time and makes lifting higher vehicles significantly easier. With a capacity of 3 tons, 6,000 pounds, and a maximum lifting height of 20.88 inches, it's more than capable of handling larger vehicles. The 360-degree swivel casters allow for smooth mobility, making it easy to position the jack exactly where you need it. Build quality is where Big Red truly shines. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the sleek black and silver design adds a touch of professional-grade style. At 42.6 pounds, it's not the lightest jack on the market, but the robust construction reassures you that it's built to last. Performance-wise, the extra long neck is a standout feature, especially for owners of lifted trucks, as it eliminates the need for height extensions and gets the job done faster. While the Big Red AT83006BR is priced at $114.95, making it the most expensive option on our list. It's a worthwhile investment for users who need a reliable, heavy-duty jack for frequent use. The main downside is its weight, which could be cumbersome for quick jobs. However, if you're looking for a premium jack with excellent build quality and performance, the Big Red is a solid choice. At rank number 3, we have the Jack Boss Floor Jack, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. This 3-ton capacity jack offers a lifting range from 5.15 inches to 18.3 inches, making it suitable for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. It's equipped with durable steel construction, ensuring years of reliable service. The universal joint provides precise load control, and the solid rubber swivel casters allow for smooth maneuverability in tight spaces. Meeting ANSI ASME PASE safety standards, this jack offers peace of mind for users who prioritize safety. In terms of design and build quality, the Jack Boss Floor Jack is compact and lightweight at just 6.6 pounds, making it one of the most portable options on our list. This makes it an excellent choice for quick tire changes and emergency roadside repairs. However, its maximum lifting height of 18.3 inches may not be sufficient for owners of highly lifted trucks. Performance-wise, the fast lift design speeds up the process, but it's better suited for standard SUVs and trucks rather than oversized vehicles. While the price isn't listed, the Jack Boss Floor Jack is likely an affordable option given its feature set. It's ideal for users looking for a lightweight, portable solution for everyday use. The main drawback is its limited lifting height, which may not be suitable for all lifted trucks. Overall, this is a great jack for general-purpose use, especially for those on a budget. At rank number 2, we have the Powerbuilt 3-ton Unijack, model 620471, which combines the functionality of a bottle jack and jack stand into one convenient unit. This all-in-one design eliminates the need for separate tools, making it a great choice for users who value simplicity and convenience. With a capacity of 3 tons and a lift range of 11 to 21 inches, it's perfect for pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, and even trailers. The wide base adds stability and prevents sinking on soft surfaces, making it ideal for off-road and RV use. A built-in ratcheting safety bar ensures that the jack stays securely locked in the raised position. In terms of design and build quality, the Powerbuilt 620471 is rugged and reliable. It weighs 22.7 pounds and features heavy-duty construction that meets or exceeds ANSI standards. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport, while the wide base adds extra stability during use. Performance-wise, this jack offers smooth operation and excellent versatility, making it a popular choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at $91.98, the Powerbuilt 620471 offers excellent value for money. It's an ideal choice for users who need a dependable jack for lifted trucks, SUVs, and trailers. The main drawback is that its maximum lifting height of 21 inches might not be sufficient for extremely lifted vehicles. However, for most standard lifted trucks, this jack is more than capable of delivering great results. At the top spot, rank number 1, we have the Powerbuilt 3-ton Unijack, model 640191, which is the budget-friendly sibling of the Powerbuilt 620471 we just reviewed. This jack offers the same all-in-one design, combining a bottle jack and jack stand in a single unit. With a capacity of 3 tons and a maximum lifting height of 21 inches, it's perfect for SUVs, trucks, and trailers. The wide base adds stability on soft surfaces like gravel and sand, and the built-in ratcheting safety bar ensures that the jack stays securely locked in place. The design and build quality of the Powerbuilt 640191 are exceptional for its price point. It weighs just 22.4 pounds and features a compact, easy-to-store design. The heavy-duty construction not only meets ANSI standards, but also promises long-term durability. Performance-wise, it's extremely reliable, offering smooth operation and versatility for a wide range of vehicle types. Priced at just $81.99, the Powerbuilt 640191 offers unbeatable value for money. It's the perfect choice for users looking for a dependable jack on a budget. The only downside is that the maximum lifting height might not suffice for extremely lifted trucks. However, for most lifted vehicles, this jack delivers excellent results at an affordable price, making it our top pick in this comparison. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.